Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, I hope you are fine, right? So, welcome back to our English class again. So, are you ready for learning English, everyone? Okay, teacher, hope you are ready. So, today I want to continue our lesson that talking about Unit 1, pets, alright? And today I am going to teach you about reading, alright? So before going to our reading, I want you to know the objectives of our lesson today. Okay, these are the objectives that I want you to do after you finish watch this video, okay? So number one, students can read and understand the reading, alright? Number two, copy the lesson into the exercise book A. And number three, copy homework into exercise book B. And number four, read and answer the questions, right? So these are the objectives that I want you to do, okay? So if you don't understand in English, you can read it in Khmer, okay? So today we are going to study about reading, right? Do you like to read, everyone? Okay, I hope you like reading very much, right? So before going to our reading, I want to introduce some new word for you. Okay? So number one, clever. Again, clever. Repeat after me, everyone. Clever. Very good. How do you spell clever? C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever. Again, clever. Again, clever. Very good. So what does clever mean? Okay, please see the word in Khmer by yourself, okay? That means clever, alright? Okay, next one. Obey. Again, obey. Again, obey. Again, obey. Very good. So how do you spell obey? O-B-E-Y. Obey. Again, obey. Very good. So what does obey mean? Yeah, you see the word obey, alright? Okay, next word, shake hands. Again, shake hands. Very good. So how do you spell shake hands? S-H-A-K-E-H-A-N-D-S. Shake hands. So what does shake hands mean, everyone? See the translation. Yeah, some people now they shake their hand when you see the news people, okay? So it means shake hands. Another one, strangers. Strangers. Alright, so how do you spell strangers? S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R-S. Strangers. Strangers. Again, strangers. So you see the translation? Yeah, very good. So last one, protect. Again, protect. Again, protect. Alright, so how do you spell protect? P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Alright, so what does protect mean? Very good. You protect your body. Very good. So now let's go to our reading. Okay, let's read with me. I read for you first and then you read with me, okay? Reza has two dogs. She calls them Jimmy and Dicky. Jimmy is white and Dicky is brown. They are always friendly. They are really clever and smart. They can obey her when she says sit down, stand up, stay, shake hands, and follow her to ride the motorbike. They always run to welcome her when she comes back from school. They always bark at strangers. She loves them very much because they are friendly and protect her and family every day. Okay, so now you read with me with silently, okay? Reza has two dogs. She calls them Jimmy and Dicky. Jimmy is white and Dicky is brown. They are always friendly. They are really clever and smart. They can obey her when she says sit down, stand up, stay, shake hands, and follow her to ride the motorbike. They always run to welcome her when she comes back from school. They always bark at strangers. She loves them very much because they are friendly and protect her and family every day. Okay, so now you can read it aloud with me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Reza has two dogs. She calls them Jimmy and Dicky. Jimmy is white and Dicky is brown. They are always friendly. They are really clever and smart. They can obey her when she says sit down, stand up, stay, shake hands, and follow her to ride the motorbike. They always run to welcome her when she came back from school. They always bark at strangers. She loves them very much because they are friendly and protect her and family every day. So, after reading, I hope you can understand what is the reading talk about, right? So now let's go to see the example. Example: how many dogs does Reza have? So how many, everyone? Yeah, very good. She has two dogs, right? So why we use has here? Because we use with subject she. So she has two dogs, right? So this is the example for you. And now let's go to see your homework. Okay, homework. Answer the questions. So there are 4 questions for you to answer. Number 1, what does she name her dogs? What does she name her dogs? Number 2, why does she love her dogs? Why does she love her dogs? Number 3, what do her dogs do when she comes back from school? What do her dogs do when she comes back from school? Number 4, how does she feel about them? How does she feel about them? Alright, so these are the questions that I want you to do. So I hope you can do it and send it to me by my personal account. Alright, so that's all about today's lesson, and I hope you can understand, and I hope you can do your homework very well. Alright, so thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.